Hello, everybody. I wanted to throw a quick video together for starting a brokerage account. When you make this journey into trading, you need to get it real and throw some cash in into an account that you can actually trade with. I will put an accompanying Google Doc with this also that will give you some pointers. I have a recommended broker I use where for a majority of my students, some of them already have accounts or they have an IRA someplace or something like that, and they don't want to change it, and that's all fine. A lot of them do essentially similar things, just there's ease of use and there's things that I can help you with a little bit easier, or anybody on my team that uses the exact same product. It's a lot easier to give you guys advice on or just fix it for you if you're having some kind of problem, share charts, all kinds of great stuff that can happen if we all use the same broker. I usually recommend to people two. The one I'm going to recommend today is TD Ameritrade. It is super simple to use. They have a web platform, they have a downloadable platform, but it's very simple. You can just go to tdameritrade.com or throw it in Google. And the easiest thing to do is just go right in the corner is open new account. And odds are you're going to be opening an individual account. If you're doing a business account, I'll have a separate video for that. And it's very simple for the individual account, let's just say, and then do open individual account, right? It's very simple. There's no crazy trading questions. There might be some questions about have you traded before, put in there, if you've made any kind of investment, they want to know that. So, you can put down your investment history, not just your trading history. Put that in there. That's like on page, let's see, probably in here in the financial information one. So it's like 3 pages, but super simple stuff: name, address, phone number, all that good stuff. Very similar if you're doing the business account. It doesn't look that much different. It's just except for that you'll use your tax ID instead of your social security number, which is cool. I have both LLC accounts and individual ones, so they're all pretty simple to use. You get down, it's 3 pages of information, review, agree to it, meaning that this is all about the agreement here is about liability, not to keep the broker from, if you buy a million shares of Apple and Apple crashes, they're not on the hook, basically. So nothing ridiculously hard. Next up is user ID and security. Very simple, just choosing a username and password. I have no real advice here. I'm not a tech person, but you can use whatever you want. I'm not even getting into what I use, and then you'll log in. Let's see, I'll go right back. Just get out of this. And then at the end there, hold on a second. There you go. And your user ID will be up here. Enter your password, or if this hasn't happened yet and you haven't saved it, just log in there. Hit login, your account information comes up first. They have a web, like I said, a web platform and a computer platform, which is cool. And they have an app that's very simple to use. I have a whole training on using that, and it's very short. It's very simple. But I use a charting platform, so it looks kind of like this. And it's all really simple to use. Once you get the account actually open, like I said, which is very easy, then I'll show you how to use this. This, again, is just 2 to 3 mouse clicks, and the trades are very easy to set up. I'll just show you really quickly. Right there, you click a button. Boom. Right here is your order information. You're buying 100 shares of Apple at 122.82. Send. Not a big deal. Very, very simple. You click the edit button. Let's just say you're going to buy 1 share instead. 1 share. And then I'll show you the other stuff. There's like 1 or 2 other steps that I use. You're buying 1 share here. No big deal. Pretty simple. Send, enter, it's over. Not a big deal. Like I said, very simple. easy to use. I hope this video is helpful. I will also put in here a link to a Google Doc that has information on it that might be useful and pertain to what you're going to do. But it's very, very simple to use, like I said, and it's a highly recommended broker, tdameritrade.com. Fill in some information, your account will be started, and then you can choose if you want to use just a website to trade on, or like how I do with the platform. It's going to be your choice. As we get started in coaching, you'll see what's easier for you, and we'll figure out your situation and we'll work backwards. So looking forward to working with you. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.